Where can I see placement performance and placement percentages in Amazon PPC? So this is something that you would do in bid adjustment section. And the way how you get there is you would open up your campaign, and then there are like certain portions of your campaign, the bid adjustments. That is the section that you would be looking into and see which placement performs well. Now, if you want to download the report, this is also possible in the search the reports. Actually, if your question is not really the outcome of like, where do you see that, but rather than in bulk files, checking out which campaigns do have modifiers or not. This is the second thing that I would do. I would download your bulk files, and here it can be even for the last day, because we're not looking into gathered amount of data that is showing you something, rather than you just want to know exactly where your placement modifiers are. And then you would download that, and I think it's the placement column. That is the one that you should be selecting, and there it's going to show you exactly 0. It's going to be you have no placement modifiers, and whatever is above 0, that is a placement modifier for that specific placement.